an intro, but I really don't have time. I'll do an intro later. I'm actually at a program in my
policy and legislative drafting, organizing and lobbying, interviewing and counseling, as well as problem solving and litigation. So in short, the benefit of the law.
Yes, I want to thank you and also to thank the college for this meeting symposium, something that we fully support.
Despite that, I'm married. So, we have some of us on the statistics of child abuse, globally or in our environment. Now, when we're in school, there's this usual rhetoric.
The basic focus of this second lecture is to define the scope of domestic violence and child exploitation in Nigeria. Secondly, to examine systemic causes and consequences of domestic violence and child exploitation, as well as making some recommendations on how domestic violence and child exploitation can be curtailed.
Come and sit. See my import.
Wait. I want to put it in my mouth. You see, even you see your man, the man that
It's not me that bites. It's me that bites. It's not me that no. It's me that bites.
Delivery that they do twice. Hello, people. They don't do this delivery twice.
It's sick. I chose the pink. It's pink. Pink, baby. There's even charger. There's a charger and there's a note on in Chinese. Oh, there's English. Hey, Jumia. I got it from Jumia Express. What else is there? Then my paper, whatever. I feel so proud of myself. This is an expensive purchase. I'm proud that I did it. Now let me connect it to my phone. Okay.
Extraordinary things I'm doing. Oh, I need some. I know some of my own money. Only some so that I don't know if it's your love.
I think you can see me. Feels like I've not spoken in this vlog. I don't even know. I know this vlog has just been using clips of my life and not me talking and like explaining what has been happening. Excuse the way I look. I just woke up. I'm about to go wash my clothes and arrange my wardrobe. So today we've been having like Cuab week. So what we do in Cuab week is, you know, have rally, have dinner, just like the whole school, all department together, having like a party together, that kind of thing. But today is actually rally. Then we're going to do candlelight for like the students who had passed away, which is very, very, very thoughtful and have trade fair, eat, people will sell food, we buy, we eat, we dance. Yesterday was actually fun. We did awareness yesterday. I tried to put some clips in. I didn't want to put anything implicating because my school is moving mad. But yeah, today I'll try to see what I can put in and what I would not put in, because I'm not trying to implicate anybody here. So yeah, I'm about to wash my clothes, arrange my cupboard today. Let me show you my cupboard. I've not arranged this cupboard in like a month. I don't know why. I've just been fucking lazy to do it, and it is very scattered. So I'm going to wash and arrange my wardrobe today. Then get ready for the rally. This is utter mess. I'm going to do it today. I need to do it today. I feel like I might not be able to wash, so I should just arrange my cupboard and wash tomorrow. What do you think? I think that's what I'll do. I'll leave the washing for tomorrow. I think I'm going to arrange my wardrobe now and wash tomorrow. I might not be able to show you like snippets of me arranging my wardrobe, because surprisingly I left my tripod at home when I went for wedding. So if I can find a place to put my phone, I'll try to show you snippets. If I can't, then I'll just show you the finished result. Okay, bye. So this is my empty wardrobe. I'm gonna dust this out and straighten it. Then these are all my clothes and all my whites. Some are in the washers. So clothes, all my freaking clothes, all my skincare here, my perfume collection. Time for me to clean my wardrobe. So I'll catch you guys later in the day. Bye. Let me listen to music and yeah. This is my wardrobe. This is top section. This is just Ankara and Friday wears. Since I'm a law student, it's only on Fridays I'm allowed to wear color. This is just, this side is towels, bed sheets and all. This side is for my skirts. This is my scarf, and this is my underwear bag. These are some of my shirts. The remaining ones are like dirty, so they're in the laundry basket. I already said I'm going to wash tomorrow. This is my organic spa box with all my organic spa skincare. A friend of mine bought me this top, so I'm wearing these shirts and my skirts, a black skirt, and I'm trying to like wear a scarf, a black scarf, but I was thinking of adding like a pop of red just to make it look, I don't know, I don't just want to wear all black and be looking dead, so I want to add a pop of color to bring back color. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, that is the outfit of the day. I'll definitely show you when it's on my body. I think I'll even want to take some nice pictures with it. So yeah, peace. Guys, are you hearing that music? The rally whatever has started. They are now in my hostel area, so let's go back and join the fun. I'm currently charging my phone because I need full battery if I am going to be vlogging. So see you when I'm looking cute and my hair is not looking a mess. Okay, bye. This is the top and my skirts. This is a Muslim school. You have to still dress modestly. I pour water on my hair and I combed it and I look better. Let me tie my scarf and I'll see you guys later. Who's this? Who's this? I'm ready. I was thinking of putting a red scarf on my head, but I'm not so sure. But let me try. I look nice like this. I was thinking like with red and purple might not look too nice. So I was like, let me try first. This is what I'm looking like, and I don't know. I kind of like it. Let me ask Instagram. But I'm like red, purple. They don't really go. So let me ask my Instagram people what they think. So I'll see you guys later, guys. So I decided to wear only the black, and I put lip gloss and whatever just to look cute. I don't know if I do. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. I'm going out to have fun. So guys, what am I even doing? So there's people are setting up for trade fair, and they started playing music, but you know the vibe is not yet there. So I'm not that excited yet. So I just left that place for a while to talk to you guys because I don't want to get copyrighted. My love, I was looking for you. Come up, just see my baby girl. How many are you buying? How many is 200 now? It's for
Mama, please show me. Hello.
VP of life, VP.
Bonfire program starting right now. Please welcome
So I'm back from trade fair, bonfire, rally, whatever. I am back, and guys, guess I had so much fun. It was so fun. Like my whole body is paining me. I danced. It had this candlelight, and so people that did not have candle had to on like their phone torchlight, and we had like 1 minute silence for the dead, and it was the most beautiful thing I've ever experienced in my life. And like we now everybody danced around the bonfire till like the fire died down. Then people started dancing with groups, and we're just dancing. It was nice. And for those wondering, I showed in my vlog that I bought an import 12, but at first the first 1 year was not working. I watched like a YouTube video, and I actually fixed it. It was just a very tiny issue that did not make like the second year work. So now the 2 years are working. If you want to get like the imports, or you have imports that are just not working for a reason, I would put the video that I watched in the description, and I put the link to this imports also in the description for you if you guys want to buy. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, and what have I done? Okay, so I actually washed my clothes today, and I already went to Cuab to get food, so I'm eating. Now today we're going to do like a dinner, award night and dinner. That's for today. And I want to iron my clothes. The clothes I wanted to wear, like, since I'm going to be spending like Eid, that big Salah in school, I was thinking I'll just wear that. So I chose another clothes. Yeah?
She doesn't have
Oh. So I chose another clothes. I want to iron it and get ready for our dinner. PayPal. Currency. Now why they don't want release but people that face. That's the thing. I feel like this year plenty people did well. And I took the lights. Aziaraalli 0, Nepal 1. So guys, it's currently 3 o'clock. Event is supposed to start by like 4:30, and it's 3 o'clock. I've not had my bath. Scrub is on my face, and I don't know how I'm going to do my makeup. But I already told somebody to just help me draw brows. I feel like if the person helped me get like my brows, I can do the remaining things myself and just not do too much and just do something light, yeah. Let's see how it goes. If the brows are nice, I'll finish the makeup myself. I need to go and bath. Once I bath, then I'll go and do my brows, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, I've done my makeup. So I actually went to someone to help me do my brows, and I did the remaining makeup. I'm really not feeling it, but everybody says it's nice. So I'm like, I'm not even in the mood, to be honest. I'm not even in the mood. If not that I have friends that I want to go, I'll literally just remove this makeup and lie down. This is my outfit. I wore this outfit and I was like, I want to change it, but the other one I wanted to wear, I've not ironed it, and they took the light, and they're not bringing the light anytime soon. So I just decided to, stay with this fit. This is how I look like, and yeah, let me show you my fit on the camera. This is me. It's my brown bag. I'm gonna be wearing white slippers. I actually wanted to wear heels, but I'm tall, and wearing heels, everybody be like, "What is she trying to overpower?" Ooh. I'll see years later. I'm sweating already. Let me quickly go.
My girl. Lagos State, I don't know. I can see you right here. Ladies, come.
From the city.
with the event, and I just want to remove this. Oh, see the change in the makeup. Oh God, subhanallah. We are done with the event, and it was nice. It was actually fun, but I could not really capture everything because the lighting there was horrible. Like, my phone could not really pick up any of the events, but what I pick up I would be able to show you. And guess what? My school locked me outside. Not only me, but me and some girls. Why? I don't even know why. They just locked us, and when they opened the gate, they started writing names, and I'm like, okay. But the makeup is looking fine now. I don't know why. I actually did it myself, so I got somebody to help me do my brows, and I did the remaining thing myself, except for this eyeliner and lashes. Somebody else did it for me. Those are the three things. Why am I sounding Yoruba? Three things that I really struggle with when it comes to makeup. But I think I look nice. So this is officially the end of this vlog, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next one. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite part of this video. Okay, bye guys.